Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to turn a song sung by an adult into a cute, fun, singing baby video. And we're doing it in just 3 simple steps. First, pick the song you want to convert. It could be any clip or performance you like. Play the video and pause it at the moment when the singer's posture and expression look just right. Now take a snapshot of that moment. You can use the snipping tool or simply press Windows plus, Shift plus S key to grab the image. Once you've captured it, copy the image. We'll need it for the next step. Step 2. Create the baby version. Next, open ChatGPT and paste the image you just copied. Then type this instruction: convert to babies, 9 by 16 dimensions. Make sure your image is bright and that the faces are clearly visible. That helps get the best results. ChatGPT will then generate an adorable baby version of your image. Once it's ready, download it to your computer. Step 3. Animate in HeyGen AI. Now it's time to make your baby sing. Head over to HeyGen AI and choose the Fit Photo to Video Still option. Upload the baby image you downloaded. Then either record your voice or upload the song file from your computer. HeyGen will automatically sync the voice with your image to create a singing baby video. Just wait a few moments, and you'll see your new baby star come to life. And that's it. With these 3 simple steps, you can transform any adult performance into a fun, adorable, singing baby video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who'd love to try it too.